Most of our clients that are hurt in an accident miss at least some time from work. It may have only been a few hours on the date of the accident, or it might have been days, weeks, or even months. At any rate, they were forced to use their paid time off, that is, their vacation pay or their sick pay. But most of our clients are shocked to find out that even if they use their paid time off, they still have a lost wages claim. Hi, I'm Joel Hudson with the Hudson Law Firm here in Carrollton, Texas. We've seen it many times where adjusters will try to claim that is double dipping, to get paid twice for that same time missed from work. We know that ain't right. We know it's not double dipping. We know that if you had to use your paid time off after an accident, that is a lost value to you. You no longer have that time available to you for vacations or other family emergencies. And let's face it, we both know you would have rather spent that time doing something fun with your family or friends rather than sitting at home in pain recovering from a car accident. There are three main things that we need to make a lost wages claim. The first thing is quite obvious. We need paycheck stubs. A paycheck stub will establish that you were employed at the time of the accident. It'll establish whether or not you're a part-time or full-time employee. And of course, it'll tell the insurance adjuster your wage amount or your salary amount. The second thing we're going to need is doctor's notes. Now remember, a lot of times these are handwritten excuses to be off from work that are given to you by the doctor or from the front desk that don't usually make it into your medical record. So make a copy of those before you give them to your employer. Now, the last thing we're going to need is a letter from your employer about the time that you missed from work. Now, we always help our clients in drafting this letter, coordinating with the employer, and gathering all these documents. But I'm here to tell you, the more time that you miss from work, the more complicated it is. The more you're hurt, the more you're going to need an injury attorney to make your lost wages claim. Now, we understand if you work for yourself, you likely don't have a regular paycheck. You're not able to just provide us a paycheck stub. And I bet you don't have paid time off either. But what you do have is customers that you were lost, money that was lost because you weren't able to perform the work. If that is the case for someone who is self-employed, you will need the help of us to make a lost profits claim. We understand that many of our clients must work. They must fight through the pain and still go to work, even though their job performance may suffer, because their families depend on their income to make ends meet. If this is the case for you, that's even more reason why you need the expertise of Hudson Law Firm to help you make a claim for what we call work under duress. The unfortunate truth is, if you've been in a car accident, you may not ever be the same again. You may not be able to return to your job or any job. And it's heartbreaking to know that you can no longer do what you were trained to do. And if this is your case, you will need the expertise of Hudson Law Firm, not only to help you with your lost wages claim, but also to help you make a loss of earning capacity. If you're still watching this video, I know you need our help. Pick up the phone today to schedule your free injury claim evaluation. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for allowing us to put personal back into personal injury law.